What's going on, Garrett here? Chances are you're watching this video because you're doing your research on the company Easy1up. Maybe you were seeing some results of people online, or you stumbled across this business opportunity and you're really smart enough to do your due diligence and see, is Easy1up right for you? Is it legit? Do you really want to invest your hard-earned money into this? Or should you stay clear and do something else? Well, you're in the right place, my friend, because I've been online for 5 years now. I've joined many different programs, and I'm actually a member of Easy1up, and I personally decided to join Easy1up over tons of other different programs. And I'm going to share with you some of my top reasons for actually joining Easy1up and why I believe it's one of the easiest ways to make money for a person this year and in the coming years as well. Now, real quick, on the screen right now, you can actually see that I was able to generate $1,000 commission with Easy1up into my Stripe account. Now, I want to offer a disclaimer, okay? Now, using, the strategies and the bonuses that I'm actually going to share with you in a second that you get access to if you join me, this is totally possible. But I also want you to realize that this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, okay? This is a real, legitimate business. And if you follow what I share with you in this video, then you're going to be able to set yourself up for the best success to really create the lifestyle of your dreams, okay? So what I want to share with you is, first off, what is Easy1up? Easy1up is basically an online marketing platform. It's video training teaching you how to have a successful online business. So if I go to the website real quick, okay, you're going to be able to see different levels of training. Okay, so they have the elevation level, which is $25 investment, and you get this training. Now, these trainings are all video training. Okay, so I logged into my Easy1up, and I just want to share with you, for example, the elevation product level. So when you actually invest and join at this level, for example, what you will get access to is this video training. Okay, now this is very, very good, high quality training. Okay, they break things down step by step, how to offer bonuses, for example. This video walks you through how to actually double or more your commissions with bonuses. And I'm actually using this video as an example. I'm offering bonuses for people when they join me through Easy1up at the link below. So I'm practicing what this training is actually teaching. So another thing you want to realize, though, is with Easy1up, you can join at these different levels, but whatever level you join at, you actually unlock that level of training and all the levels under it. Okay. But not only that, though, you're probably watching this video because you want to join Easy1up as an affiliate, right? You want to actually earn these commissions when you refer people to the different levels inside of Easy1up. And what I want to share with you is that whatever level you join at, okay, you can earn commissions at that level and all the levels under it. And we earn 100% instant paying commissions. Now, a lot of people ask me before they join, Garrett, how are we able, to earn 100% instant paying commissions? How is Easy1up making their money? Well, it's very simple. So with Easy1up, basically what they do is when you actually join, so let's say, the highest level is $2,000 Vertex Live. Now, this is definitely one of the most popular levels. The reason being is, people realize that when you join at the Vertex Live or, the Vertex Pro, which is the $1,000 level, you can earn $2,000 at the Vertex Live per commission. So if your goal is, let's say, $10,000 a month for your business to be able to quit your job or travel or, spend time with your family, then you only need 5 people per month to join at this level, okay? Because if you join at that level, you're qualified, you get all access to this training, and you can earn at that level. And the cool thing with Easy1up is you can actually set up the payment methods. Okay, so how you can actually receive the money, you can choose whether you want PayPal, Cash App, Zelle. Okay, there's Stripe. There's a lot of different ways to collect the commissions. But what I want to share with you is how we're able to actually earn the instant paying commissions. Okay, so this is a page I created right here. Now, this shows you the breakdown of the different levels and the one-time admin fee. Now, the admin fee is how Easy1up actually earns their money. So, for example, the Vertex Live, which is the most popular, has a $2,000 investment with a $500 one-time admin fee. Okay, so it's really, really simple. All you would do is you would actually go to sign up. You would pay that $2,000, which would go to the person you're joining, in this case, me, so you can access the incredible bonuses that I'll share in a second. And then that $500 would go to Easy1up as a one-time admin fee. All of this is one time. There's no monthly fees. You don't have to worry about, paying these reoccurring bills. You just invest one time. And I want to share real quick too, a lot of people think, oh, $2,000, $1,000 investment. The thing is, what does it actually cost to join a business, right? If you were to start a franchise like a Starbucks or try to own your own McDonald's, right? Like a brick and mortar business, often it takes over $1 million. Literally, I mean, you can research after this video, $1 million on average or more to own a franchise. And you may not make back your money, within the first 5 years. So, I mean, you can literally, join Easy1up, invest a measly, $1,000, $2,000, which is nothing in the scheme of things, and one commission will make back your money. Okay, so now what I want to do is share with you how you can actually set up Easy1up properly so you can get the best results. So like I said, there's going to be a link directly below. Now, when you go to my website, you follow that, eventually you'll get taken to this page here. Okay, now I broke down on this page what each level, the bonuses that you're going to be able to receive. Okay, so what you'll be able to do is whatever level you join, okay, so you'll actually be able to access these training and bonuses. Okay, now every single level, no matter what level you join, you're going to be able to get my best ads to copy and paste on social media. Now, the best way to actually start generating sales with your Easy1up business is by posting advertisements online. And when people respond, when people are interested, you send them your join link. Okay, it's really, really that simple. Now, with just the $25 level, you only get Facebook training. Okay, but as you see, okay, with like, let's say the $2,000 level, you get paid on all levels. You get Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter training. You get a script that closes 90% of your sales. You get Facebook ads training if you want to do paid advertisement, okay, and more. So the higher you join, the more bonuses you're going to actually be able to get. And then when you're ready, all you have to do is click, the button under the level that you want to join, and it takes you to this page where you just follow whatever video. If you don't have an account, you can watch this video, see how to join, create an account. If you already have an account, okay, you want to make sure that you create one under me, and then you'll be able to log in, okay, and you can see the bonuses there. And that's really it. And again, you're going to be taking these copy paste ads, and I share an example here. Okay, so this is my Facebook. Now you can do it on a Facebook profile, on an Instagram, Twitter. You take these copy paste ads, okay, so this is a text ad, okay, and it tells people to comment below, okay, so you post this ad, and you can see that I had 86 comments, okay, 4K, 4K, 4K. And then all you do is you just send these people private messages with your join link, okay, or with your affiliate link. They look over the information, they decide to join, and you receive those instant 100% commissions, okay? So it's really, really easy. All in all, I highly recommend Easy1up. You're not going to really be able to find this valuable of training products that pay you 100% instant commissions up to $2,000. Pay structure alone is absolutely incredible. So I highly recommend go down below, check that out. Last but not least, if you have any questions, okay, if you just have, one or two questions before you join, feel free, click my Facebook profile below. And all you have to do is just message me, okay? Message me on my Facebook profile. Send me your questions. I'll be sure to answer them, and then we can work together to get you the results you truly want. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.